Today's topic is encryption, one of the most common and useful technique to protect data is encryption. Encryption has been used for thousands of years, and the simple technique that is called as the Caesar cipher was said to be used by Julius Caesar. Since modern computer speeds have rendered many techniques insecure, we will focus on the essential components of the method that are used currently. As computers get faster, as we know that there is a evaluation in technology, the key lengths may need to be increased. However, since each bit is added to a key doubles the time required to break the algorithm via brute force attack. As the technology is evolving, so we have to increase the key length, and the algorithms are scalable, assuming that no fundamental flaws are discovered. And we know that there are two techniques for encryption: public and private key encryption. So in symmetric key, or we can call it as a private key encryption, the same key is used to encrypt as well as decrypt the data. Means at the sender side as well as the receiver side, there is the same key for the encryption and the decryption. Both parties share the key, which must be kept secret, and the functions are described like C is equal to ek into p. Okay, so ek means encryption key and p is the plain text, C is the ciphertext, and at the receiver side p is equal to dk into c. Okay, the encryption and decryption functions are E and D, E for the encryption and D for the decryption respectively. The encryption functions takes the key, that is ek, and it apply it is on the plain text p, and it produce the ciphertext from this. And at the receiver side, at the decryption function, it takes the key, decryption key, and the ciphertext, and it converts into the plain text. While in public key or asymmetric key encryption, in asymmetric or public key encryption, there are two keys. One is public key and another is private. Okay, so as the name implies, the private key is known only to the owner, whereas the public key is made publicly available. The public and private key encryption is described like C is equal to E private P, means it uses a private key plus the plain text and converts it into the ciphertext, whereas at the decryption side, it uses the ciphertext public key and convert it into the plain text. Next is either or. At encryption side, it takes the public key and the plain text and convert the plain text into ciphertext, and at the decryption side, it takes the private key and ciphertext and convert into the plain text. Okay, so text that is encrypted with the private key can be decrypted only with the public key, and the text that is encrypted with the public key can be decrypted with the private key. Okay, so that is the public or asymmetric key encryption. Okay, so this is encryption. Thank you.